Lowry is an amazing school with amazing staff and, more importantly, amazing students. We can't wait for our incoming 9th graders to start walking our halls.
I enjoyed taking welding because it teaches you technical skills that you can use in later life in a career that will give you as much money as a doctor or a lawyer.
It's gonna help me maintenance my vehicles. You don't have to take it to a shop and pay top dollar to get something fixed. I know how to do it myself because of the class.
You should take construction technology as it teaches you very real and relevant world skills that you could use for the rest of your life.
You start out with Ag Science 1, where you learn about animals mainly, and the systems inside of them.
It takes a skill that you have acquired, like over taking a welding or auto or construction class, and using it to compete against the state of Nevada from people from Vegas.
Tule duck decoy in the form of metal to portray our state artifact because I wanted to add state history into a competition that everyone from the state competes in, and I wanted to make it to the national level to show off our great state's artifact.
FFA is a great experience for everybody who joins. FFA caters to everybody. It's the largest student-led organization in the country with over 600,000 kids nationwide.
Web design class is a good class to take because it helps you learn how to code in different languages.
If you plan to pursue business in the future, accounting is a class that prepares you for college.
Graphic design allows you to learn skills in Adobe Photoshop, InDesign, and Illustrator, as well as gives you the opportunity to earn 12 college credits towards graphic design.
I like computer literacy because you can do Photoshop and mess up people's faces. It's just a fun class.
CAD is a class where you build things, so when you're first starting out, you're just drawing 3D structures.
FBLA is the Future Business Leaders of America, so it's an opportunity to take skills that you learn in business classes and just speaking in general and compete against people across not only Nevada but across the nation.
We've got a variety of classes to prepare you for life after high school. Just make sure you ask questions, keep an open mind, and try new things.